Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a storybook for kids. Use MagicBook CI. This software, it's one-time payment, no monthly fees. You can create unlimited ebooks, just one-time payment. Now, let's log in on MagicBook CI, and here you'll find all the option here. You can create an recipes books, health books, fitness, storybook for kids, any topic you want. Actually, you can create your ebook, but just one time payment. Let's get started and click on create the ebook. Now here click on continue. You can hear the option anything you want to create. Let's choose the ebook. Here all the templates you can use it for create your own ebook or create it from scratch. Now let's pass the ebook description I want to create, and here let's choose the style or writing and the size and click generate. Now here the chapter ebook story is generated just in one click. Let's continue, and here you can edit this chapter you generated. You can edit anything you want. Now let's create the page templates like this, and here you choose any avatar you want to edit inside the ebook. Here are the chapters, and you can add it to the YouTube video link inside your ebook. Now we'll generate the cover page, the cover design. You can upload your own, or let MagicBook CI generated your cover design. Let's click generate. Now the cover is ready. Type the title, the description, and now review your ebook it looks like. It's best flipbook you can create it by AI. And you can choose to add AI voice for read the story out loud. Now let's click continue, and you can copy the link ebook and share it for your friend, or you can upload it as a PDF and this URL code. Now let's review the ebook looks like. Now your ebook is ready. This is the ebook. But look at the video inside the ebook. Now that's it in this video. If you want to try MagicBook CI, you'll find the link in the description.